The next section we're going to work with is the staff documents section. Now there's a few different ways that we can get documents into your site. You'll notice here that we've got the exact same little easy button for a new document, but you'll also notice that it says drag files here, meaning we could simply drag and drop some documents right onto this page to add them onto your site. So let's try that first. I'm just going to make my window a little bit smaller here so that I can bring up some documents to drag in there. So I'm going to open up my Windows Explorer. Now I'm going to go over to my Documents section, and in here I got a folder with some sample documents. So perhaps I have a newsletter that the principal wrote for the spring. I can simply click on that document and drag it over into my staff documents area. And it'll move that document and put a little logo beside it for the type of document it is. So in this case, this is a PDF. So it's already there and ready to be viewed by my staff. Want to grab another one? Maybe I've got a PDF of my school year calendar. I can go, grab that, and drop it onto this page. So once I've finished adding documents, I'm just going to make my site big again. Just refresh that page so it brings back our easy buttons. So another way I can add new documents is by using the easy button here. I can click on the new document, and that's going to give me a few different options. If I'd like to create a folder in my document library, I could simply create a new folder and add it, and that'll create a folder for me that I can then click into there and drag and drop more documents into that folder. If I'd like to get back to my home, just refresh my page by clicking on the Staffroom button, and that'll bring me back up to the top level. If I go back to my new documents, if I'd like to create a Word document, Excel, a PowerPoint, or a OneNote, I can simply click on that and give my file a name and say OK. And that's going to open up the Word app right inside my browser. Once your document opens, you can start typing as you would in your regular Word application. You'll notice that you have a very similar view as you would if you were using your regular Word application, but it's all right inside the browser. This will even work on an iPad or other type of tablet. As long as you're using a modern browser, you can open Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or OneNote right from the browser. When you're ready, click Save, and that document's going to save right back to that location inside your staff room. If you click the link up here, which takes you back to your staff room, or click the X button, which will close that document, and it'll return you to the staff meetings minutes. You can click on the staff room link, and that'll take you back to your home page. There's one final way that you can also add documents to your document library. When you click on that new document easy button, you'll also notice there's a little link at the bottom here. It says upload existing file. If you click that, you'll get a browser window very similar to the way we added pictures. So you can click on the browse button and then go and find the documents you want to upload and say OK. And that's just going to upload that document right into your document library. If you'd like to manage those documents, you can use the little ellipsis to go and find other things that you can do with the document. You can see the history of the document, you can create workflows, but if I want to delete that document, I can just click the delete button right here and say OK. Finally, clicking on the actual Word staff documents will take you into the back room where you've got some more options for different documents if you want to delete multiple documents or upload some new documents. So if you're ready, and go add a couple files into your staff room and come back when you're ready to continue.